So are you looking to start a kettle corn business, or you already have a kettle corn business and you're looking for an amazing logo and you want to create a logo yourself, something that looks professional that you can put on your uniforms, on the packaging, or even on your website? Well, guess what? I've got a fantastic website. I'm going to show you in just a matter of minutes. You can create over 9,000 samples of logos for your kettle corn business. So if you're in the market for a kettle corn logo, I'm going to show you how we do it right now. All right, so it's Damien, and as I mentioned in the introduction, I wanted to show you how to create a kettle corn business logo. So that is a hugely popular type, a festival and farmers market type of product. It's very simple to make, hugely profitable too because it costs so little. But there are a lot of people all over the country who are creating kettle corn businesses, but they're looking to create something that's really unique for the logo, which could be put on the banner that you put at your booth when you're at a farmer's market or a festival. It could also be put on all of the t-shirts or hats if you have uniforms for your employees. So this logo that we're going to create is going to allow you to do all of that. So I'm going to check out again brandcrowd.com, and again I'll have a link down below this video specifically so you can check this out yourself and create your own kettle corn business logo. Now, first things first, type in the name of your kettle corn business. So again, I'm going to put down just a random name, Ray's Kettle Corn. And we're going to hit make logo. And what's really cool about Brand Crowd is that they have an enormous amount of designs. Now, they have a lot of variations, but I'm going to show you a little kind of a trick to narrow it down so you really get images that are going to look like kettle corn. Because if you don't, you do a more broader search, you're going to get a lot of images that may not necessarily be interesting to you, and definitely don't want to waste your time with that. So as you come down through there though, so far, I'm going to go to the bottom and show you that trick. But if you could take a look at some of these, are actually really cool. You got a cool one here. You've got this one here, looks like a light bulb inside of a corn husk, and so on. So, and remember, this comes up with, again, over 9,000 designs within a matter of just a couple seconds. So let's refine the search a little bit so I can show you more specifically. Let's take out Ray's name first. We're just going to do kettle corn, and I'm going to type in popcorn. Watch this. Okay. Now you'll see that these changed up quite a bit. So you're going to get designs that are geared towards specifically popcorn looking logos for your kettle corn business. Okay. Now these are all customizable. And again, I'll show you in a second how we customize these. But let me scroll through here. You can take a look really quick, and then we're going to go ahead and click on it. This one's kind of cool. Of course, you associate movies with popcorn. That's kind of a neat one there. And then we're going to customize how the logo works, okay? And again, this one also comes up with over 9,000 designs. And again, like I said, in a couple of my other videos, I'm not going to show you exactly all 9,000. You can take a look for that as well once you click that link down in the description. So let's go ahead and grab one of these, something that's really kind of cool. This one's kind of cool, baby corn. So once you click on the logo, you're going to come up with the editor, okay? So you're going to be able to edit the text style, the font style, the logo even itself, and so on. So first off, let's go with the corn. Now, when you highlight this area, you're going to get these colors. These are colors, all of them that are associated with the logo, not the text. We're not doing that right now. So if you wanted to create a little bit more of a darker color, you can even go up here and create a darker color here. There you go. That's going to be even richer color. You can change the color. You see how that changes? And we're going to go back over here. We've got a nice yellow. There we go. A little more brighter color. Once you're done, make sure you click done. That will apply the color change to the actual graphic itself. Okay. Next one up is the corn husk. I'm actually going to go with, now, in order for you to change that, then click done. All right, so now we're going to go over, I don't like the color of the corn husk. I want that to be a little more greenish color, actually. I like that, but I'm going to go up here and I'm going to change it to be a little bit lighter. There we go. Perfect. And again, click done, and then click done to apply those changes that you're making. Okay. So we've got a really cool logo. He looks really cute and all. Let's go ahead down here and you can update this. So again, if it's John's Kettle Corn, fantastic. Put it down. Now, make sure that the name of your business, not your slogan, which is down here, your slogan. Talk about the name of the business, is legible. If it's not legible, I like the way this looks, but it's really kind of difficult. Some people may not be able to read it. So I'm gonna go up here and I'm gonna get something that's a little more easier to read, but it's kind of whimsical. There we go, perfect. Now, we've got that done. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at the below here, your tagline. And let's just say, best corn in town. Make sure that this lower half, though, your slogan is always a little bit smaller than your actual name of your business. That's just my 2 cents. I would recommend you do that because you want people to remember the name of your business, not necessarily the tagline, okay? And again, you can increase that or make it smaller. Now, we're gonna go up here and we are going to change the color of that. The outline, you can change that to black as well. Apply done, and you can increase the size of the outline. There you go, so it sticks out even more. Okay. And we're gonna click on the white and we're gonna make this, let's do this in a bright red color. So it just sticks out. And then click done again. And now you applied your text change. The color of the text change color to red. Very, very simple. And that's it. You can basically make this as high as you want. Remember, keep in mind, like I mentioned in my other videos, don't overlap this over the graphic. Keep it about just below. Also, you might want to shrink this down just a little bit. I try to keep it just on the outside of the image. Here are the outside images. You want to keep that a little bit on the outside, okay? And of course, don't go too big because then it just doesn't look proportional. And then let's go ahead and take this and we'll shrink this down just a little bit. And let's change the color of that. And then we will hit done and do click outline. We're going to add an outline to that too. Black. And then we're going to increase that. There we go. And then it stands right out. And open it up just a little bit. Best corn in town. That's it. You're all set and done. And of course, remember, when you're done with this and you've played around with the design that you like, hit download. That's going to take you to the page where you purchase the actual logo itself. And I always recommend, if you're going to be putting this logo on t-shirts and hats, you need to have all of the vector files that are available. That's what these are right here. Okay, these are files in different types of file formats that allow you to put them on websites, that allow the resolution is different. So if you're gonna put it on a hat, it's different, and website's different. If you're gonna put it on a product listing or a label or a sticker, same thing. They're all different. So you make sure you get the right package, okay? And that's it. Super simple. So if you're looking to create a kettle corn logo for your kettle corn business, this is definitely the way to go. And if you have any questions, let us know down in the comments. If you've used brandcrowd.com for your logo, definitely let us know as well. We have a lot of subscribers who enjoy other people's feedback on how the services work. And then from there, let us know. And we'll look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching Marketing Food Online. And if you are looking to create your own food truck, start a home-based food business under the cottage food law, franchise a food operation, start a packaged food business, private label your own food product, sell on Amazon, get your own online store, or sell food online, remember to subscribe and check out these videos for more resources. Take care.